Yes, welcome to this new video where I'm gonna explain you exactly step by step how to integrate Claude Code into your Shopify store. This is gonna be game changing for your ecom business because the good thing is that installing this will just take you about 10 minutes, but it will save you a lot of time afterwards on developers and also a lot of money on, for example, Shopify apps that can add up to a few hundred a month. So this is basically a game changer. This is your employee that replies in seconds and does the job in seconds as well. After this, you can literally ask Claude Code to list products, update inventory, edit themes, manage content, and way more. What you only need is a Shopify developer dashboard, a Shopify store, Claude Code, and Node.js. Node.js, you just ask to Claude, hello Claude, do you have Node.js? If not, make sure you install it and it does the job. So it's super easy to have that. First of all, for the people that are watching and don't know what Claude Code is, do your research, because this is game changing for ecom. It's a terminal-based AI assistant that can read, write, and execute code. It's literally a developer inside your terminal, inside your Shopify store, inside your ecom business. And it can talk directly to the Shopify API using your access token. So it's literally connected. How Claude Code uses the token is like this. You just give Claude access to the token once and Claude stores it and uses it to authenticate with Shopify. And every time you ask Claude something about your store, it makes an API calls behind the scenes. So you never have to write API code yourself. You don't need to have developer experience. You don't need to know how to code. You just type everything you want to see in your store and Claude is translating it into APIs. So that's the good thing. And after installing everything, after checking the 6 steps I'm going to give in this video, you just open Claude Code in your terminal and you can ask Claude Code anything like I just said. Show me all products in my store, create a landing page, create a new product called summer t-shirt for $29.99, update all inventory to 0 for sold out items, change the announcement bar text on my theme, increase all prices from X collection with 10%, etc, etc. And Claude translates your request into Shopify API calls and it just executes them and shows you the result. That's the amazing thing. And yeah, why this matters? Simply because there's no coding required. You speak your language, Claude speaks the API. And it's way faster than the dashboard. For example, when you have a VA and the VA needs to update all the prices from your products, it can take hours, even with the bulk added, because they're always going things wrong. But with Claude Code, it can literally be handled in seconds. And you don't need any app subscription because most Shopify paid ads will be replaced by this. So it saves you a lot of money as well. And you have full control. You own the connection. There's no middleman at all because you literally set it up yourself. First of all, before I'm gonna dive into this exact 6 steps to do this, I want to take a moment to show you my Discord because we just opened a free Discord community. It's now already on about 400 or 500 people, and at 1K we cap it. We are not gonna let any more people in. We are not a mass coaching program. We just want to have a high quality group. We're also kicking people now and then, so make sure you're active. What you can find inside Discord is a lot of channels with a community chat, but also, for example, the exact partners we work with ourselves for more than 5 years already since we're ecom. Me and my business partners have a combined experience of 20 plus years and more than 17 million US dollar in online sales generated. So we added all the partners we work with for a long time already to the community. And in this way, we have a lot of leverage and you are sure that you have the right partner here to work with for your ecom business. Next to that, we do multiple Q&A calls per week where you can literally ask all your ecom related questions to me and my business partners. So definitely check it out. You can see it in my Instagram bio and in my link tree here, but I will also put the link in the description to join. See you in the next group call. All right, let's not waste more time. Let's start directly with the 6-step installment procedure. First of all, you go to your Shopify store and you go up right to your profile and then you click this symbol because then you come to the dev dashboard. And what you do here is you create an app and you name it, for example, Claude API. That's it. Then you set app URLs. And the only 2 things you need to do is copy paste these URLs. I will put them in the description as well. And here you add callback and here not. I will explain quickly why you do this, but it's not very important. Just do it. It works. But the local host is like this computer. So when you type localhost 3457, you are basically saying connect to a server running on my computer on door number 3457. So localhost is the computer and 3457 is the number. This is not the number you always need to pick. You can just put a random number there as long as it's the same as the number on the other end of the connection. Why do we need it? Shopify OAuth flow works like this. You go to Shopify and say, I want to connect this app. You click install. Shopify says, okay, approved. Then we send the confirmation somewhere. So Shopify basically needs to know where to send the confirmation, and that's the address you're going to send it to. So that's how you connect it. Your computer is like a building, and localhost is the building address, and the port is literally the room number inside. That's how you can see it. So 3457 is the room we picked, and it could be any number. The script opens room 3457 and waits there for Shopify's message. And if it's already in use by another program, it doesn't work because each room can be used by just one program. That's it. Then about the URLs, okay, this is not very important. You can pause the video and check this, read this, but what you need to see is the common mistake. So make sure that two numbers are always the same and that you don't miss the slash callback, that you use HTTP instead of HTTPS, and you don't add a slash at the end. That's very important, otherwise it's simply not working. So just fill this in here with a different number. Then we go to step 3, and here you're gonna enable the API scopes and click on done and then release. So here you can select scopes. So we are here, to be clear, in the versions tab, and you click on select scopes, and here you can select all these scopes, and this is literally the functions it will have. So read products, read orders, read inventory, write inventory, read teams, write teams. You can just click whatever that's possible, and Claude Code can do it for you. So these are the functions. Then step 4, add credentials to script. So first of all, you open Claude Code in your terminal. Then you tell Claude, like, create a getToken.cgs script for Shopify OAuth. And then you say my store is mystore.shopify.com. And of course you don't say my store, you say like your literal Shopify store. You can find it in the domains. It's just a Shopify URL for your store. Then Claude writes the entire script for you. Claude asks for your client ID and client secret, and you'll find them after releasing the app in settings. So after releasing them, you go to settings here. So we are in the same screen as here, monitoring logs version settings. So you go here to settings, and you see here the client ID and the secret. So those two you copy paste, and you literally send it to Claude, and then it's done. Then step 5, we're gonna run the script. So what we do now is we open Claude in the terminal. So for example, Mac it's terminal app, Windows is command prompt, and you type to Claude node getToken.cgs, and then your browser opens automatically. And in your browser, you see the Shopify permissions page. It shows which permissions the app is requesting, and here you literally click the green install button. That's it. And then you see success token received. So then the access token will appear in your terminal, and it's very important that you save this in a safe place and secure place, because you might need this later. Then the script shuts down automatically and you're basically done. So this is it. Now you have it installed. Now you can use Claude Code as an employee in your business. You can fire a lot of employees, I'm sure about that, after it's working well. So yeah, it's gonna save you a lot of money, a lot of time. Claude never sleeps and employees do. So that's it. What's important for now is that you're going to test the connection. So for example, you ask Claude, okay, tell me how much products there are in my store, and you double check it. Or for example, you give him the order, the task to list a new product in your store and check how it goes. So just test around, play around with it. But if you followed everything in the right way, it should work perfectly. Then I want to say thanks for watching. Again, join the Discord, link in the description, and I see you in the next group call. If you like this video, if it was useful, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe and a comment. If there's something unclear, leave a comment in the comments. If there's something unclear, you can also ask always in the Discord, in the community chat, or in the group coachings, anything about this. And I see you in the next video. Adios.